This Honorable Court gave order at the last date for restraining the security agencies, police, DSS, from arresting our client, as Murtala Ajaka, who is the SDP candidate for Kogi State. This is a democratic dispensation. Election in Kogi State is commencing. Governorship election is starting in November. And with a threat to his life and the threat of arrest coming from police and security agencies when he is due to campaign, because he has a right to campaign as an aspirant of Kogi State. And that right is being threatened by the threat of arrest and detention, and also the threat of outright elimination. We received that report, so we came to court, one, to prevent the state agencies from arresting him without due process, and secondly, for them to provide him with security, because as an aspirant, he needs security to campaign in the state. We all know what's going on in Kogi State, the security situation in Kogi State, so he needs the freedom to campaign, to go about without being arrested, without being eliminated. That's what came to the court, and the court graciously granted our request, and then we came here this morning for us to go for trial on the merit, and then we had only processes filed by the state governor, and then also other processes that were filed that were not served on us. So now the court has graciously given us an adjournment to the 22nd of September for 2023 for the hearing of the matter on merit, 21st, yes. And then for us to exchange all processes so that the matter can be heard on that day. And he also stated very clear, as we hear in court today, that the interim order granted is still subsisting. And that now that the parties have submitted themselves to jurisdiction of this court, they are bound to obey the order of this court to ensure that our client is not arrested, is not molested, and then for them to do what is lawful in the circumstances. Because this is election time, he needs his time, he needs his freedom, he needs the protection of the state for him to campaign freely. We don't want violence, our client does not want violence, he's a bona fide citizen of Kogi State, law-abiding. We don't want him to be molested. And we thank the court for coming to our aid. Thank you very much. Thank you.